What's up, boys? Day 250. Oh my god, day 252. 252 days of trading. Day 17. Let's get it. Starting the work week out nice and early. It's 11:55 p.m. Hasn't quite hit 12 o'clock yet, but start our week off 4 minutes early. We're gonna start up the 2 Topstep accounts, 2 TopStep Combines, and we're gonna focus on our strategy. Try to stick with the plan. Let's not deviate away. Let's not lose it mentally, and try to have us a great week. It's gonna boost our total spent year to date was around 2,300, I believe. Right now we're gonna tack on $98 to that, so 98 there. When we pass these accounts, because it's gonna be a extra 149 each. That's 298. So all in for about $400. So 400 to 23, it'll be close to 2,800. Let's make sure we could get these 2 accounts to get us past the break-even spot, maybe be even positive on these. Let's get it, boys. Next time you see me, we're gonna be in the charts, I'm assuming. But right now I gotta head to Stockton, got a 1 a.m. Stockton, gotta come back, then got 11 a.m. Sacramento, and more work from there, and we'll just be looking at the charts when we can, in between loads, dropping off, picking up, all that. So let's get it, boys. Let's kill this week. Yeet. All right, boys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Some shorts right here. I like the downside right now. We're definitely on the move down. We're in a zone, breaking into it, so we might bounce it, but we have a lot of downside here still. This is the hourly. I'm just gonna hold it for the downside. We're in a 2120. I'll leave my stops up at 35. I'm down with 35 points. 35 for 70. Let's do a 35 for 70. Sounds pretty crazy. What should we do? Let's do 30 for 60. So yeah, that's good. 250. 250. See if we can get that. I'll just do 251 since I can't get it up there, but 251. That's for the buy side. You buy it, yeah, that's a stop loss. Wow, a 44-point swing to the upside. It gave me 28 points of profit. Well, let's see. Just sitting on the 5 minute now. Let's see. See if we respect the 9 EMA all the way down then on this trend down. It's been respecting it, breaking it a few times to the upside all the way to the 21 and rejecting, but let's see. There you have it. It touched it. Just touched it to a little point and just rejected, but it's looking like a bounce off the 200 level. So we'll see how that plays out later. I'll try to hop back in. We're 0-1 for the day. One more loss and we're calling it. 3 trades max a day, so we're gonna enter in. If we could come back up here. Where we are right now is pretty good. See, we could come back up to that 10.75. I'll take it from there. Just let it buy in, and then
Order filled.
all right,
Order filled.
And I want to look for the downside. I'm not gonna look too hard. It's like all the way down to 6,000 flat. I'll look close to it, see if we could get close to it.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Well, that was quick. All right, I hopped in on the low of day break. Last trade for me, potentially. It could either stop us out here for the day for the 1,000 L, or we make a nice little comeback. So I'm gonna do a 2 for 8, I think. 4 to 1 risk will be good. I'm gonna look for a nice dump down.
Order filled.
One last thing, we got to add the performance on the day to show the records and the contracts, everything I did. Just looking at this now, look at this. Boom on down, came up, touched the 21 EMA, the yellow line, and rejected it. Now it's going to work on down. But anyways, let's look at the performance for the day. So it shows all trades, profit 407. We ended up making 380, 368. It's showing 2 and 3 for losing trades, but you know, that's the contract split as usual. We'll come down here. Let's see where we peaked down. We peaked down at 705 and got it back up to 407 within the next trade, so that's great. Now here's the contracts. So we went in 5 MNQ for one trade. Yeah, we went 1 and 2 today, so here's how it broke down. The 5 MNQs, sold them almost together, 27 minutes and 40 seconds together for the $305 loss. Then we went in again with the 2 ES for the loss for minus 400, put us -7. And then we did the 1 ES for 29 minutes and 30 seconds and one for 24 minutes and 11 seconds. So it was about 5 minutes and 20 seconds in, we went and increased the position size going towards the downside. Once it broke the low of day, that's when we hit the second position size. And yeah, we wrote them both down for 11, 12, 50 profit, which put us up to where we were now. So good stuff, boys. Alright, well that'll do it for this day's video. I overslept at the place I was just at. Now I'm having to wait at it. I'm going to drive to this rest area. I just passed it. I got to flip around and hop on the freeway to get to that rest area, the northbound. I'm going to stop there and wait for a driver to bring me the load I'm taking to Sacramento. And then other than that, as far as the trading day went, 1 and 2 on the day for a $300 profit. We'll take it. It wasn't, I'm not too satisfied with how I traded. I'd give my trading day today rating like a 4 out of 10. It was pretty bad. The first trade was good. I had a nice stop, 30 points. It hit the stop loss, you know, okay. Second trade, I shouldn't go into my second trade being down so much and then doing 2 ES, because 100 points per move is a lot when you only have 1,000 to lose, and I'm already down 300. So we took that loss too, got us up down to 720. Then we hopped again. I waited for it to come back up. Reject towards the downside, and then break the low of day. When it broke that low of the pre-market, I hopped in. I set my take profit for, the profit we're at now. I think it was $1,100. So I was risking 3 points to make 11 points, and that hit. I fell asleep while it played out. I was either going to get stopped out on the day for the minus 1,000, or we're up a little bit on the day to 300, and I had confidence in that play. It hit. It ended up going really, really far down. Like, damn, if I would have just held to that bottom, it would have been crazy, like $6,000, $7,000 play. But we're not in it to catch everything. We just want to catch enough to be happy. So I'm satisfied with that. If this is an XFA, $300 on each account is $600. That's more than enough. I'm about to make $600 today driving, and it's going to be an awful long time, awful lot of driving compared to the 30 to maybe 45 minutes to an hour and a half of trading I just did. So something to keep in mind. But that's about it. Yeah, we'll call it there. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with the boys that's trying to get into trading, and maybe they're not feeling all that well about themselves. Just know everyone's going through it, So that's about it, boys. Peace. Catch you tomorrow for day 18. Let's